So this is a quick video to show you guys how to put your Mercedes C-Class into neutral. If for any reason the car's not starting up, like this car here, and you can't move the gear shift back to neutral, it's a very simple step. First, you need to remove this bit here, slightly pull it, comes off quite easily, and then inside you see a button or a sort of lever. Before you do that, obviously make sure your handbrake is on, or your foot brake, whatever you call it. Press that button there, and then you should be able to move the gear stick. So you do it holding on to the button and moving the gear shift, and that's in neutral. If you want to get it back into parking, just pushes it back by itself.